Welcome to Introduction to Chemistry, PSCI 1500. Where is the syllabus? To see the syllabus, click on the Syllabus tab in the navigation panel to the left. How do I know when assignments are due? Click on the calendar to see when assignments are due. When you click on the calendar, you will see the assignment posted on the due date. You may also view assignments by clicking on the Assignments tab. Assignments have a rocket icon. You see the due date, the time it's due, and how many points. Another way to find assignments is to click on the Modules tab in the navigation panel to the left to find each assignment. Click on the Modules icon to find and complete all assignments. For example, you will see instructions and then the videos that go with practice quizzes. If you click on the title for Practice Quiz 3, Chapter 1 Problems, you will see the due date, and practice quizzes do not have a time limit. You just must complete the practice quiz by the due date. Major quizzes, however, must be completed within 3 hours of opening the quiz. Major quizzes must be completed on the due date, or they will be the drop quiz for the semester. To begin a quiz or a practice quiz, click on the Begin icon. When you click on Modules, folders will open. Let's click on the folder Week 3 Quiz 1. You open the folder by clicking on this arrow right here. You will see the type and number of questions on Quiz 1, the booklet with tables, which has the formulas. You do not need to remember the formulas on the quiz. The quiz will have the formulas on them. And the quiz. The quiz will not be available until the due date. In this case, Quiz 1 is on September the 5th, and it's 100 points. You can tell it is an assignment because it has the rocket icon. If we click on the Type and Number of Questions document, we will see the type of questions. For example, 13 questions are terms. There's one density problem and one metric to metric conversion problem. You will also see the booklet with tables, which will have your formulas. You do not need to remember the formulas on the quiz. The formulas will be given to you on the quizzes. When you click on Week 1 module, Chapters 1 and 2 folders appear. Open Week 1, you would click on the arrow. When you click on Chapter 1 folder, for example, a list of assignments and resources appear. You will see the objectives and checklists for the chapter and tables and formulas you will need for the chapter or module. Practice quiz. Click on the line to open the practice quiz. Quizlet, which are vocabulary flashcards, and videos, which are pre-recorded lectures and sample problems. There's your objectives and your tables and formulas. Instructions to practice quiz 1. You have your terms, a Quizlet, and a practice quiz. It tells you when it's due and how many points. You see terminology with the definitions. And Quizlets are flashcards. You see the term and then the definition. How do I know my grades? Click on the grades icon in the navigation to the left to view your grades. Many of the items in the practice quizzes or quizzes will be graded by computer. For the computer graded items on the practice quizzes, you will see the answers after submission. For quizzes, the answers to the computer-graded items will be available after all quizzes are graded. Some items, like discussion questions, you will see the answers to those items as soon as I grade the quiz. How are the grades computed? See the syllabus for a complete breakdown of grades. Practice quizzes are worth 10% of the final grade. Quizzes are worth 90% of the final grade. There are 5 quizzes, which includes the final. The lowest grade of the 5 quizzes will be dropped at the end of the semester. The grading scale is as follows: A, 90 to 100%, B plus, 87 to 89%, B, 80 to 86%, C plus, 77 to 79%, C, 65 to 76%, D plus, 62 to 64%, D, 55 to 61%, F, less than 55%. Confused or need assistance? Email or message me in Canvas, and I will answer your questions as quickly as possible.